What's up, people? Welcome back to the program. Trying to dress well to convince people that you should take me serious. Is it a suit that does it for you? Is it the glasses that maybe will pay attention? This guy's wearing a suit and he's wearing glasses. He must know what he's doing. Well, I'm wearing a polo sweater with a collar sticking out of it. How's that for smart? Huh? Don't have the glasses today, but maybe I should smoke a pipe for you. Tell you what I'm thinking? Well, what I was telling you to do on Friday turned out to be a fantastic idea because day trading has been something of a slow process intraday. What we would have to do is we have to play these gaps. And the stocks I suggested that you take a look at was HEAT, H-E-A-T, for a gap on Monday, as well as the AMAT and the GE. Yeah, we're talking about stocks from way back now. GE, AMAT. If this is going to be a bull market to save the world and end all bull markets, you got to go with the old names because everything's coming back. This heat is out of control right now. One thing about these Chinese companies, everybody knows how you got to be a little bit skeptical of a company or any company residing in the People's Republic of China because we don't know exactly what they are doing inside. We don't know exactly if they're lying about the numbers. We don't even know if these are real companies, to tell you the truth, as well as any other stock. But as far as momentum and charts are concerned, HEAT did look good, and I suggested maybe you pick up some 17.5 calls, or maybe go out a month out, maybe pick up some $20 calls. Both were tremendous winners today, and I hope you guys held on to some and did well with those. And then what we were doing was we were selling them at the open. Selling them at the open, taking our profits, and then looking for other opportunities. And oh my, there were some opportunities. Of course, the X trade, okay? I suggested maybe you should take some profits on the X if you had it from back in the 30s and the 40s because it was getting a little bit toppy there. Overextended, overbought, whatever technical term you want to use. And of course, they tried to sucker you in this morning. And as soon as that stock went negative, what do I tell you about reversals? A stock, when it reverses, 85 to 90% of the time, it's going to follow that trend downward. And X, my God, turned out to be a great trade. And as far as the commodities are concerned, I was telling you to look into hanging on to some JRCC long and some PCX long. They both gapped up, and then lo and behold, they went negative, and you could have made some money long, and then you could have made some money short. So what you got to do is you got to stay tuned. You got to come to the website, hitthebid.com, and it's hitthebid.ning.com for the secret underground lair that we have. And we're, most of the time, sometimes you might come in there, we're just telling dick jokes and talking about movies and talking about sports, because generally if there's nothing going on, we're just not going to sit there and try to find ideas, because when you search for something and you're looking that hard, generally that's a good time not to be doing anything. You let the ideas come to you and make them work. So we got Alcoa numbers coming out this morning. Oh, if anybody wants to know, that's me when I had hair riding a bull. We had a Christmas party and I was riding the bull. Little did I know, a few years after that, I'd be hanging from the bull outside on Wall Street, yelling and screaming like a lunatic. Little did I know. But yes, Alcoa numbers are coming out today to start the earnings season. And I was suggesting that maybe you want to lighten up on some of your positions if you are going into this earnings season. Now, what's Alcoa going to really do? Let's say they report some fantastic numbers. The stock's up, what, 100, 150% off its lows? If you think the stock's going to say something great and run, go right ahead and hang on to that. But my suggestion is that if there's more of a chance of some profit taking coming into the stock, no matter what they say, and as long as they don't give, this absolutely mind-boggling forward guidance and that aluminum is taking over the planet, this stock, what are you risking now? You're risking selling out and have the stock go to 18, 19 bucks, and you know what? Wait for it to pull back and you probably could get back into it. The story goes, better safe than sorry coming into this earnings season. And everybody's on the same page right now. Everyone's thinking that we're going up. There's nothing going to stop us. We're never going to have a down day in the market. And you know what? And then that becomes commonplace. Generally, you might want to go the other way. My sense is that there is still a little bit of skepticism out there. And that kind of makes you want to think that this market might never go back down ever again. Ever. Ever. I say ever as a month, 2 months, 3 months. We will have a down day sooner or later. And I don't consider a down day what's going on today in the market. Wow, this is getting really loud. This is Phoenix in the background, if anybody's wondering. So, moral of the story, once again, is better safe than sorry. If you're trying to play these earnings, remember, they're increasing the options values going into these earnings reports. So if you're looking to buy puts and you're going to buy calls, you're going to need that stock to move so much more than you would normally have to have it move after the earnings come out. You understand what I'm saying? If you were paying $1 for an option on a normal day, if the earnings are coming out a day, say, that night or a day later, that same option will probably cost you 10, 20, 30% more than it normally would. So it makes it that much more difficult to make money trading options when you're going into the earnings report. I know everyone's sitting there looking for the next big thing. You want to be involved in a stock that gaps up 10 points on great numbers. Generally, does it happen? Has it happened to you? Hasn't happened to me in about 2 years when I caught some nice down moves when the earnings came out on a few different tech stocks a couple years ago. So it's been 2 years, so that's pretty much proven that theory to be true. Stay away from these options on earnings days because generally you're going to lose money, and even if the stock does go your way, the increased volatility built into the option is going to prevent you from making any real money anyway. So what you want to do is wait for that report to come out, wait for that stock to open up the next day, and see what it does then. Good luck to you, and come to hitthebid.ning.com, soon to be just hitthebid.com. And I think we got a buddy that's going to build us a website. We're going to make this our own, and everything is going to be fantastic. This is going out to the day trader Rockstar. A lot of people say that I should be on a show, and he's been mentioning my name. Well, I gave him an email today. Hopefully responds back to me, and I'll come join the show Wednesday, maybe Thursday. So day trading Rockstar, if you're out there listening, hey, get me on the show. I'll shoot the shit with you the whole day if you want me to. I'll probably be home Wednesday or Thursday just sitting around playing with the kids. So when the baby takes a nap, I'll be free for a couple hours. Good luck to you, everybody. And don't forget, Digital Globe, still my favorite stock on the planet. DGI.